Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I'm here to show you the simulation about the smooth particle hydrodynamic explosion near the reinforced concrete slab. This is the explosive material here, this is sphere, this is the concrete slab, and here we have the green composite as a reinforcement. The green composite is a light material and new material which can be used as a reinforcement in many structures. So let me to click on animate here. This is the explosion you can see, and the particle of the CNT material. Okay, let me just replace the concrete first. The concrete, this is the concrete. You can see the concrete here. If I click on animate, you can see the result. This is a front view, the damage variable, the back view. Let's go to request plastic strain, yield criteria, tactile damage, or everything. Also the stress, it is fully damaged, see, and the stress. Let me to use the limit for the stress, for instance, make it 4 or 1 to have a better view. It is better. Let me click on animate, see the stress propagation. This is a wave of the stress wave propagation in the concrete. And now let me to replace the part name is green composite. See, it is failed completely. See the stress, it is failed completely. Let me to check the damage for this matrix damage for the green composite. Compressive damage for the matrix, fiber damage. You can see if you check it frame by frame, this is the result. Okay, now let me replace all and request the reaction force for the concrete slab. And plot it. And also this is the reaction force, and this is here the impact load of the TNT. Also we can check anything here, like your velocity for the particles, like displacement for the particles, or yield criterion for the concrete, I don't know, plastic strain, everything, or pressure, or ductile damage, everything for the concrete. Let me check it in this view. Zoom here, and again run the animate. You can see this is the pressure generated by the explosive material and causes this huge damage in the model. And the model is fully damaged. See, it is completely damaged. Okay, if you need to model the explosion with SPH method over the concrete, reinforced concrete with green composite, you can come to our website here, www.abacusfem.com. Find the English tutorial. For instance, this is the English tutorials here. Click on title or blue sign, this is the continue. Then here you will have a short explanation about the process, geometry, I don't know, material, method, everything, and the results here. And at the end you can provide CAINP and English video file step by step and reference for the material. Also the cost for that is 26 euros. We use a PayPal account and Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address, then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.